the exhaust flow part on the head of the engine. As you can see here, it's corroded away. I don't know what kind of material this is, but it's some kind of very light material. This almost weighs nothing. This has shown to be extremely difficult to get the hand on. And if I get hand on one, it's used, old and very expensive. So my idea now is to try to, because this is the other one, this is okay, but my idea now is to try and cast new ones with brass and polish it, make it really nice. At least that's the idea. So I've got some old shells from the last year's hunting, which I thought can be used, and also some other brass parts if it's not enough. I've never done this before. I borrowed I don't know what you call it. It's some kind of spoon that is able to hold quite high temperatures. Brass is supposed to melt around 950 degrees Celsius, so we will use some propane and some mixed gas, which goes up to 2400 degrees Celsius. So yeah, let's try use this the sand here to make the casting mold, and then yeah, hope it's so easy that you can just pour up the brass and it will be fine, but you never know. So let's try. Ikke sånn superhardt, da. Passe hardt. Ja. Det er ikke sølt da. Sant? Så da får vi problem med kanten der. Du ikke det? Sånn? Welcome back. Now we will try to make another one or two of this. This is a cap which is directing the exhaust flow in the cylinder, and as you can see, this has been corroded away. It's some kind of light metal, I'm not sure, but yeah, anyway, it's been difficult to find this new, so I will make an attempt to cast this in brass. Never done it before. I did a test cast from some old bullet cases. It worked fine, and here we have some scrap brass. This is actually the old gas, the fuel crane on the DKW, which is wrong on the engine, so we can now we can make use of it and make some parts we actually need. The idea is to take the one which is good. This one I've blocked off the holes and put it on a bolt, so we can make a casting mold here in the sand. This is normal sand. I've wetted it a little bit, so it's, yeah, something like this. I'm not sure if this will work. Here is the oven. We will use this to heat up the brass and hopefully melt it so much we can pour it up here in the mold. And yeah, of course there will be some work afterwards with the finish here. That's okay. Yeah, so let's try and see how this works.
It's starting up.
Then we put this brass bar up here, and we take the brass parts. Okay, so hopefully this is enough to make 2 of those. Good.
Okay.
Kom her og kom, så der.
Jenten.
Det var hard.
Bra.
Ser du den der?
Ja.
Den får du slippe til. Da skal vi... Okay, so the brass casting is finished. I have drilled the holes and sanded it down to the shape I want it, and polished it on the buffing wheel. This came out extremely good. Punched in my initials in the top. This will be my signature on the engine, so hopefully the owner will approve that. Yeah, this is a homemade part that I guess nobody else have, and it looks really good on the bike. There's also other brass parts on the engine from before, so this will blend in. But the first time I'm doing brass casting, and I'm really pleased how this ended out. This is the second one that I will finish. This is a bit rougher on the height, so I need to sand down a little bit more, but anyway, we will use our time and do that as well. So we'll have the same one on both sides. Yeah, this is nice.